This is Series 1, Episode 45. I'm going to be talking about the Simply Good Foods Company, ticker symbol SMPL. What does this company do? They develop, market and sell branded nutritional foods. They have strong earnings and strong growth, so I like the look of it. And it's also a stock I would like to get into my portfolio so that I can diversify. I don't want to be all technology. It's nice to get some stocks that are not technology. For example, the bank stock that I bought. So let me explain my analysis. As you can see, price has been contained within this kind of channel. There's your resistance, there is your support. Now, if I just show you the most important part of this analysis, is this bar here. It's breaking out of resistance, this bar, very obvious. But it's not just the bar, look at the volume. As I always talk about this stuff, that's the footprint of the institutional traders. They're jumping into this stock as it breaks out. Okay, so that's really critical. When you see that with breakouts, it's really, really important. So there's the high volume with price action, breaking out of major resistance. All good so far. So technically, I really like the look of this stock. So I'm going to explain the trade idea now. As I say in all my videos, if you act upon this information, that is entirely up to you. This is my trade, my idea. If you want to follow my idea, that's entirely up to you. Let me explain the trade. If I can see price less or equal to $32, which is this line, I want to see price touch this line ideally and hold. My stop loss will be this $28 here. 28 there. And my take profit is this line up here, $38. So that's the trade idea. I wouldn't want to risk any more than 1% because, and it has to touch this and hold at this line. 1%, it's like a nibble. I want to nibble at the trade to see if it price holds, because it could continue to drop, right? So then I might want to add another 1% or even maybe 2% maximum, potentially 2% if it fell to there, for example. Then I had 3% on one trade, which I don't want to go any more than that. And if it goes wrong, then I know my get out is $28. Now, I would say 25 would be your absolute emergency stop. Here, 25, because if price goes there, then it's definitely not a good trade anymore. So that's definitely a way to get out. That's an absolute emergency stop, 25. But there's the idea, guys. It's entirely up to you if you act upon it. Entry at 32 or less. Take profits at 38. Stop losses at 28. 1% of my portfolio on the touch of this line, and possibly an additional trade if price decides to go lower. It looks really nice technically. It's a breakout stock, very clearly a breakout stock with that volume down there and that price bar. So there's the idea, guys, especially when it's nice to have some stocks that are not all technology based. So there's a trade idea. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe, as everybody always says on these kind of YouTube videos. It is important to grow the channel. So I wish you the best, and I'll speak to you in another video soon.